Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Litecoin, seeing what's going on here. We actually have a swing trade open from a couple weeks ago with this guy, and it does look like it's recovering well and getting back on shape. So this is actually very awesome, but also something we want to look at too to kind of verify there's any invalidations, because the truth is this coin isn't performing magnificently well compared to how Bitcoin and a lot of other altcoins are too. So we want to recognize that and see if there's any merit on the back end here as well for liquidation levels, etc. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you can learn something here today. If you do want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. Link down below. We have an awesome Discord community here with some really great traders. We also have a really good Premium Plus group here too with our Discord links. In other words, we did take a loss here from Chainlink, right? So I need to be clear and transparent about this because day trades are structured different than most, okay? You got to get in and out quickly, okay? So truth is you can get in and out quickly with a lot of good trades here. Cardano, Litecoin, for example, BNB, ETH, Matic, a lot of good trades are available, okay? You just got to make sure that you understand you got to get in and out and not hold on to your trades for too long. Same thing here as well with Solana. These are the ones, my swing trades, that are holding on for very good long time. What, we have 5 days, we took 41%. Bitcoin, 27% in 5 days. We also took 215% in 5 months for ID. So for example, you know, the day trades and swing trades, they differ a lot. Please, please, please read through the signals guide so you know exactly how to structure your trades effectively. Okay, so I'm speaking to a lot of my community members by saying that because I do have a Premium and Premium Plus group, so it's important for you just to understand the difference between those two. So let's look at liquidation here. First of all, a lot of liquidation occurred at 69.30, so that's a pretty big level. $70 to $71 also has some liquidation levels in it too. So the truth is there's more room for the price to go up than down because there's, even though we have late longs, we've got a lot of shorts in the market that still need to get wiped out. Not saying they need to or they should, it's not a guarantee, it's just a stronger likelihood because of how liquidation works. It's like a magnet, okay? Take a look at this monthly here. This is a pretty prime situation as well. Not only that $70 mark, $70.50, we can see heavy, heavy, heavy concentration at 73. That's close to where our profit targets are for our Litecoin trade, okay? So again, a lot of times I will set targets at those specific key levels to ensure that they are retested, and the likelihood is very high of that happening. So again, does this mean the price is going to shoot up to that level? No. It just tells us there's more incentive for the whales to do so, okay? Especially with Bitcoin kind of breaking free, we're going to see a lot of alts start to surge here in the relative near future. So just be mindful, be ready. Some things could happen here soon, okay? All right. Big surprise, right? Something could happen in the market. So ominous. It's funny how it works out. Okay, let's talk about this here really quick. MACD converging. Very positive sign. We like to see that. We can also see RSI up over 50. First time in a long time. RSI, look at that. Right below the money flow index. Money flow index is higher than the RSI. That's exactly what we want to see. That's a sweet spot. That tells us there's money flowing into the coin. The likelihood of the price dropping is fairly low, just based on the fact that it would take a lot of movement to push the price down, and now we have a support of 50 on the RSI. Stochastic is swinging up pretty hard, so keep in mind we are moving quite quickly there, but it's really not all that hard when you think about it because we've only had four one-day candles telling us that we're retesting this level multiple times, okay? So right there, 68.80 is pretty much that point of contention. I'll draw out a level here just to give us perspective on what that looks like, but that is currently a resistance level based on daily. We've tried that level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now 8 times today, okay? So more likely we are to break that level, the more likely, the more times we test it, right? That's kind of the concept. So at this point, it might be safe to presume that 68.80, if we close above that level, will be a solid support for us. MACD converging on the 4 hour, that's fantastic. We're over 50 on the RSI here. We're just seeing this happen a lot with a lot of coins. Price action is tapering off, of course, because they all continued up for a little while. But the truth is the price could continue to pull back further. But with RSI being over 50 and below 70, that's somewhat of a bullish sign. Now, it's not like I want to take everything I own and put it into this one coin sign. It's we have confirmation, we're on the right side of tracks. I feel comfortable taking a trade because the price is generally going to be moving in this direction. That's really what it tells us. So 4 hour time frame, we got 4 different moving averages holding the price action in place. Potential for support at that 68.80. A lot of reasons why this coin should continue to progress higher because we've now averaged ourselves out above some of those key levels. Taking a look at the Ichimoku cloud, we can confirm a similar structure here. While this isn't phenomenal because the lagging span is soon to intersect, letting us know you want to consider taking profits if you haven't already, the conversion line is above the baseline. The Ichimoku cloud is consolidating right there perfectly, right at the top at 68.80, okay? So again, all the more reason why we should see full-on confirmation here in the next 12 hours for this coin, okay? Now what I'm going to do here as well, just draw out a trend line to kind of see what that looks like so we can pay close attention to that guy and just understand kind of where we're at there. So generally speaking, we're looking pretty good here. It would make sense for the price to continue higher. But once again, waiting for confirmation would be a good thing. Getting a closure here today at 45,000 or higher for Bitcoin would be good. Well, sorry, like 44. No, actually, yeah, I would say 45,000 is pretty good. 45.4. Either way you look at it, we're in pretty solid shape no matter where Bitcoin closes, unless it drops down to 44K. The truth is we're expecting somewhat of a pullback from Bitcoin. It may not be super substantial, but we could see that, okay? And if that happens, again, continue dollar cost average into that coin, but here and now for Litecoin, you're probably going to see a lot more success generally for the price to continue higher than it would go lower. But again, we break this trend line, things can change a lot, right? So we are hoping for a closure at 60, I would say 69 or higher would be perfect, but you don't always get what you want, okay? So that's kind of where we're at there here for Litecoin. I would say more positive than negative. So if you are new to the channel, again, once more, thank you for liking, subscribing, and following. Also, make sure you check out Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below. No KYC or VPN required, that's why we use them in the US and Canada, and $5,500 in rewards if you use my link to register. Awesome stuff. We're actually having trading competitions coming up later this month as soon as they add more trading pairs, which should be as of the 20th. They're going to be adding somewhere in the range of a couple hundred trading pairs to the network. So awesome stuff. Thanks again, Bitunix. Thank you as well for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.